Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today I'm gonna show you how to make these two hoses in SolidWorks in an assembly. So let's say that you have to connect this small pipe with this one and you want to make this hose in the assembly and this one also. Let's see how you can do this. So first I'm gonna delete them. Okay, so we can see that here is a small pipe and here is another one. We want to make a hose from this one to this one and from this one to this one. Let's see how we can do this. First we'll have to go to this arrow, we'll have to go to insert, to component, new part. Okay, and here we have part 1. Let's rename it. Right click on it, select here rename part, and this will be hose 1. Okay, now right click on it and select here edit part, and I will have to go up here at sketch, and I will go here to this arrow, select from here 3D sketch, and I will have to select this edge with this edge and select here convert entities command. Nice, and now I'll have to exit from here this 3D sketch, and I'll have to make another 3D sketch, but first we'll have to go to this icon, to visibility, and we'll have to select this one, view temporary axis. Okay, and now we need to make the path for the hose. To do this we'll have to open another 3D sketch, so select 3D sketch. Okay, and now we'll have to select spline, and we'll start a spline from this point until this point. Nice, and now select here this spline and this center line and select here make tangent. We'll have to do the same thing here, so select this center line and this spline and select here make tangent. And now we have the path for our hose and we have the profile here. How do we make the hose? We'll make the hose using swept boss base. First exit this sketch and then we'll go to features and select from here swept boss base. Here we'll have to select the profile. The profile will be this sketch. Okay, and here we'll have to select the path. The path will be this spline, and here we can see the hose. Nice, and now just press here OK. And now we have the first hose. If we want to make it from rubber, we'll just go here to appearance, click on this arrow, go to rubber and just drag it on the hose, select here body. Nice, and now we have the first one. We'll have to make the second one. It will be exactly the same thing. First let's exit from here this editing part, and now we'll have to go up here again to insert, component, new part. Here we have part 2. Right click, rename this part, this will be hose 2, and then right click and edit this part. Nice, and here we are again. Now we'll have to open another, we'll go to sketch first and we'll open another 3D sketch, and we'll have to select this time these two edges and select from here convert entities command. Now exit this 3D sketch and open another 3D sketch, and now we'll have to select spline again and make a spline from this point till this point. Okay, let's find it. Okay, right click, select, and I'll have to do the same thing, select the spline, select the center line and select tangent. Now we don't want this to be tangent like this, we want it in the opposite direction, so we'll go on the left here, right click on this and select here flip relation. Now it's better, press here OK, and now we'll have to do the same thing here, select these two and select here make tangent. Now we have the path. Now we'll just have to exit this 3D sketch and go to features, use swept boss base for this one too. Here will be the profile will be also this one, and the path will be this spline. And here we go, here we have the second hose. Press here OK. Let's do it from rubber this one also. Nice. And now we want to exit this, so we'll exit the editing part, go back to this icon, uncheck this one, and here we have it. Here we have the both huses. It was that easy to make them. It will be the same for whatever kind of hose you have. You can make them in the assembly mode, you don't have to make them separately, and it's more complicated to make them separated. We don't need any dimensions to make them, and everything is very easy. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. And if you like it, you can leave a like, you can subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this, and a comment will help me very much. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.
Yeah.